Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno7 and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find system settings. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. So first of all we have to turn off the automatic time and time zone, and now we can freely tap on date, and as you can see by swiping we can change the date. The same situation with the time, simply tap on it and swipe, and as you can see you can set whatever time you want. What's more, it will immediately appear on the status bar also. The same situation with the time zone. Simply tap on it, and as you can see you will be transferred to the full list of all available time zones from which you can choose. So let me pick, for example, maybe this one. Just tap on it, and as you can see it will be also immediately applied, but be aware that after changing the time zone the time will also change according to it. Here you've got the dual clock, so of course you can enter this option and decide if you want to use this option or not. And here you can decide if you want to use 24-hour format just like now or 12-hour format. After tapping on it, it will be immediately applied. So basically this is it. This is how to customize the date and time, and of course you can get back to all previous settings. Just tap on this option to use 24-hour format, and on both of those switchers to set the time zone and date automatically, so they will be no work provided. So actually this is it. This is how to change date and time in your OPPO Reno7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.